Alright, this video about primary medical qualification, upload and verification. We have received the email from EPIC identification form received and EIF accepted. We have checked it by logging our physician portal. So once we received this email, if you see it here, they are telling us basically you may begin to upload your credential to EPIC for the primary source verification. So what we'll basically do is log in our EPIC physician portal, go to my credential and upload our primary medical qualification for the verification. Now one thing to know is your primary medical qualification must be in English. If it is not in English, then it needs an English translation that meets the ECFMG translation criteria. So yeah, just make sure that your documents in English. So let's go to the my credential tab once we logged in, and yes, so once we logged in, just go to the my credential tab, and after clicking on my credential, we will upload our primary medical qualification. Just upload the credential from here, and if you see it, there are a couple of options in the list. Make sure that you choose the correct list, otherwise you can just read in the red notification that if the credential does not uploaded in the appropriate documents category, the ECFMG may correct the document category. So they might correct the document category for you. So if the document category is changed, it will be reflected in your EPIC portal. So just in case you have made a mistake, they will correct the category and as per the organization you are applying, and that will be reflected on the your EPIC portal, and you can see the changes. So just for me, what I'll do is I'll upload my primary medical qualification. So as a graduate of MBBS, for me it's final medical diploma. That's my primary medical qualification. So I'll select final medical diploma here and upload that documents. So once we have done that, it will take us to the checkout page or the billing page. Just make sure that the right documents and proceed to the checkout. So it will cost $100 US. So fill up your payment details and proceed further. And that completes our verification process once you have done the payment. So once I've done the payment, I authorize this transaction. If your transaction is completed, then it will give the confirmation number. Always keep this confirmation number or any error reference number, so that if there is any problem, you can check it later. Now, if you just log in and go back to your My EPIC portal and My Credentials tab, you can see that the status, the credential received in EC and review at ECFMG. And if you see My Report section, the report requested credential in review at ECFMG. You might need to liaise with your institution, because the ECFMG will be verifying your status with the institution. Just let them know that you have applied for ECFMG. So once ECFMG verified your status, you can see that the verification will be accepted and it will change the status. And same goes to the report. You can see that the GMC Medical Council report status sent. So this completes the whole verification process, and our EPIC verification process is completed. And if you find it the EPIC verification series useful to some extent, you can help me by sharing these videos as well as this channel. That will help me to motivate make more of this content. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next.